True safety. No matter how hard we try to reach this, we can only get so far. We fill our lives with lines of defense, hoping none of them get breached. They're never enough. But you would know this. Your job is to treat the people that safety failed. Doctors, nurses, everywhere. From the sick to the injured and the in-between. You keep us afloat. You look out for us. To that, I must ask, what keeps you safe? Your job isn't easy. You labor intensive hours fighting for the lives of others. From patient to patient, you face countless horror stories come true. All the while, danger meets you at every corner. You rely on all lines of defense to prevent exposure. You need another layer of protection. One for your tablet, designed with a new line of defense against germs. aXtion Pro MPA. Keeping you afloat.